Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G50, and today I would like to show you how you can pick font style on this device. Start by opening Settings. Following that, you need to choose Display and tap on Styles. Then choose Get Started, tap on Theme 1, so on this plus icon, and pick one of those font styles. I will go with that one. Then choose Next after every other step. Name your theme, in this case font. I will go with font something, and tap on Done. Then select Apply, and as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back into the default one, go into Display again, tap on Styles, click on Moto Theme and choose Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!